want me to help you take pictures?
No, no, you're fine. I'm just taking video. Record this. This is the thunderstorm. Oh my goodness. Companion, I don't want the lightnings to be on my body.
Oh my gosh. This is like Taiwan and Philippines.
Philippines too. This is the storm here. So funny.
Yeah. It's so cold.
Oh my goodness, those lightning.
Wow.
Going to the square with lightnings and thunderings. So, my goodness.
I don't want to die.
Oh, there's Christmas lights on. Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness.
Why only us? Our square.
Oh my gosh. So scary. And my shoes is wet again. Oh my God. Oh my goodness, that's Maria. I saw Maria.
Maria.
Yeah, she is cleaning over there. Maria. It's Maria.
Still.
Oh, my shoes is wet. I should wear boots, but I don't want to. It's not that cold.
Yeah,